Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually open Instagram DMs without notifying them. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to open Instagram DMs without them knowing, or how you can actually read messages without marking as read. First of all, we want to make sure by updating the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated, I'm going to open Instagram. And let's say you have actually received a certain message. Let's say right at the top you can see I have received a message. Now previously what we could do was, after reading the message, we could simply actually mark that message as unread, but that feature is not there anymore. And the other thing we could also do was to actually hide seen status. It would not let the other person know that we read their message, but at the same time we would also not know that other people read our message, and that feature has also been removed by Instagram. So the only way to actually work around is there are a couple of ways. The first way I'm going to show you is that you could, if you actually received a message but then you actually also received a notification on your phone, you could actually simply check your notifications history. In order to do that, you have to simply open settings. Once you open settings, you can go to notifications options, and over here you have to go to notifications history. If you have enabled notification history, you can see this Instagram message right over here, which says that the message has actually been received, which means that it was there in our notification but we failed to see it. Now this is basically one way you could actually check your notifications history. The other way you could also do this is, once you actually come back to this chat screen, do not open the message just yet. What you want to do is you want to actually turn off your Wi-Fi. Once you actually turn off your Wi-Fi, you want to go ahead and actually turn on flight mode. Once you turn on flight mode, you want to simply come back over here and then turn on flight mode, and then go ahead and actually simply read the message. Now once you actually read the message, you can come back. Now do not actually turn off your flight mode and enable Wi-Fi just yet. What you have to do is you have to come back to your profile screen. On the top right, you have to tap on the three lines icon, and then you have to go to settings. Once you go to settings, here you will see the option called log out. You have to simply tap on log out. Now in order to actually log out, you have to actually enable your Wi-Fi. So what you could do is, you can see we have actually logged out of Instagram. Now you can go ahead and turn on your Wi-Fi and then turn off airplane mode as well. And basically that will not let the other person know that you have actually read their message. I'm going to simply refresh it and then basically see we have not actually let them know that we actually read the message. And this is basically how it works. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.